Use auto layouts to present sets of content in columns and rows, carousels, or slideshows. These are great for content that you update regularly, such as featured product images, recent projects, current team members, testimonials, or past clients. To add an auto layout section that includes text and images, first click Edit on the page, then Add Section. Choose Team, Testimonials, or Calendar. Then look for layouts with an eye icon in the top right corner. If you click a section without an eye icon, you'll add a block section instead, which cannot be manually rearranged. To choose how your section and items display, hover over the section and click Edit Content. In the Elements tab, switch the toggles on or off for each option. To add or edit items, click Content. To change the design, click Design. To add an auto layout that showcases images, add a gallery section instead. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.